Just in direct from the last owner. What a beautiful Audi TT, the 1.8T FSI S-Line, 180 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox, brilliant black. It is just gorgeous. 2017 on a 67 plate, same family owned, father and son, from new, full documented service history, all the invoices, all the paperwork, and it is absolutely stunning. Let's take you all the way around it. Around £2,500 worth of factory fitted options, including the all-important technology pack, with parking sensors, privacy glass, to name a few of the options. These really are very, very stylish coupes, aren't they? Real classic. It is gorgeous. So, without much ado, let's take you around. Brilliant black, gleaming away. Good size boot on these cars for the type of vehicle. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Of course, split folding rear seats. Pick up the dashboard and then interior there. All the Sill kit, all there complete. Additional bits of storage there, all the pockets are. All down the sides, it is absolutely beautiful. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. Just look at it. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated with a set of brand new tyres all the way around. Get the words out, matching tyres all the way around. So every wheel is perfect. As I mentioned, tyres are brand new. So all down the sides, as you can see, just gleaming away with the black. The 19-inch wheels, all across the front, lovely and clean. No damage, no scrapes, no dings. Full close-up across the front aprons. Again, there's no damage there. Hardly any stone chips across the front, as you can see. Of course, with the age of mileage, they are going to be the odd tiny ones, but nothing to sort of shout about. And hence we do the videos, to give you full transparency. You can see exactly the condition of the vehicles, so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. So again, down here, all beautiful. Again, the final wheel and the tyre. So let's take you inside it. Yeah, and all the trims, the door trims, all in perfect condition. All the entry points, the sport seats, no damage to those. Nicely S-Line embossed. All the rear seats. Flat bottom steering wheel. 72,276 is the mileage. 72,276. Great sound system of the vehicle. Part of the technology pack. Of course, the view. So there we go. So you've got various displays on there. Change whatever you want to see on there. Just scroll across. The big map. Navigation screen on there. It changes the size of the mileometer and the rev counter. Change that again. Whatever you want to see. The whole menu's there, you can scroll across it. Settings, Audi Connect, the map, navigation, telephone, radio, car details, all very, very easy to follow through on there. Cruise control, speed limiter. As I mentioned, that's the navigation screen on there. Scroll through, change the views. It's all done by that. Volume control on there.
Route guidance is not active.
Of course, Bluetooth phone. Navigation.
The entry is being processed. Navigation.
So you've got voice control on that as well. Map.
Map.
Telephone's not connected, so that's why it's not picking up on that one. The air conditioning controlled off there, flow of air, heater fan, of course drive select. Get the ride exactly how you want it. 6-speed manual gearbox. Again, you can control navigation modes, radio modes, media input on there. All very straightforward. On the menu, cup holders there. So there we have it, our beautiful TT. This one also has the optional folding mirrors, which again was an option. So the folding mirrors, again, another option. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Check out our finance offers on our website. Alternatively, please pick the phone up and give us a call on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details of how that operates. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. We're open Monday to Saturday. Specialist cars established since 1997. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. If you don't want to miss this beauty, hit that reserve button. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your money. Simple as that, really. Any further information, our phone number again is 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. give us a call 01782 822 700.